Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are making chicken shawarma. It is very easy recipe, very yummy recipe. Inshallah you will like it. So let's show you how we made this shawarma. I hope you will like it very much. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. First of all, in a bowl we will add 2 cup flour. Then we will add 1 teaspoon baking powder, half tablespoon salt, 2 tablespoon cooking oil. Then we will mix all of these properly, and we will add 1 cup milk room temperature, and we will knead it properly until it becomes a soft and fluffy dough. Now we have kneaded it for 5 minutes. Now we will grease it with oil and knead it for 1 minute more. Now you have to cover it and keep for 30 minutes. Now you can see our dough is ready. It's very soft now. So now we will make it into a big roll and we'll cut all of these equally, as many pieces you want. We will grease them all with oil. And now we will cover this with a butter paper or sheet for 5 minutes. We will flatten it into a round shape and we will cook the chapati. Now our shawarma bread is ready. We will prepare the marination of the chicken. We have taken half cup yogurt. In that we will add 1 tablespoon ghee, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, and half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon paprika powder. And now we will add 1 tablespoon lime juice, 1 tablespoon vinegar. Then we will mix all of these. Now our marination is ready. We will add boneless chicken 700 gram. We will add it. You have to add big pieces, not much small, because there is some more process. And after adding all of the chicken in the marinade, we have taken a glass bowl. In that we will add all of the chicken. Now we have put all the chicken. You can see. Now we added all the masala and covered for 30 minutes. While we covered it, we preheated oven on 200 degree for 10 minutes, and we will cook the chicken for 30 minutes on 180 degree. You can see our chicken is ready. We will take it out, and all the oil and masala we will keep it aside for the later use in the video. On the top of the baking tray we put a wooden board, and we will take out all of the chicken in it, and we took it out. You can see. Now we will add wooden sticks on top of it, on all the layers of the chicken. You don't have to remove the pieces, and we will hold all the wooden sticks and we'll cut the chicken. That will come like layer by layer. You can see, same like outside, like same shawarma from the restaurant. So like this we will cut all the pieces, and after you have cut the pieces till the wooden stick, we will remove it and put it back more. And now we cut all the chicken. Here we have taken the shawarma bread, and now we will grease it with the oil which we kept for the later use. And in that we will add mixed vegetables. In that we will add the shawarma chicken. Like this we will make rolls. We will also add some french fries. In some we added chicken, ketchup and shawarma sauce, which we will show you someday how to make it. And now you can see, like this we will roll all of these. Keep it. Now we will cut it and show to you how does it look like. Now you can see, mashallah, it looks very tasty and good looking. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our chicken shawarma is ready. If you like our recipe, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and also share it with your friends. Inshallah, we will meet with you with another recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.